Today, we take you on a wonderful journey through Serbia, a cultural and geographical gem in the heart of the Balkans. Serbia is surrounded by several countries, bordered by Hungary to the north, Bulgaria and Romania to the east, North Macedonia and Albania to the south, and Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, and Montenegro to the west. This makes it one of the most strategic regions in Eastern Europe. With a population of approximately 6.7 million people and an area of 88,000 square kilometers, Serbia is a crossroads of culture, history, and stunning landscapes. To understand contemporary Serbia, it is essential to explore its past, especially the long period under Ottoman rule that lasted until the 17th century. The Ottoman heritage is still tangible in many aspects of modern Serbia. Liberation from Ottoman rule led to the country's independence, an event that preceded a series of catastrophic wars, including the Balkan Wars and World War I. During these years, Serbia was a key player in the establishment of the Kingdom of Yugoslavia alongside the Slovenes and Croats, making it the foundation of this new entity. However, stability was once again threatened during World War II, when Serbia faced significant challenges. After the war, the desire for independence grew in Slovenia, Croatia, North Macedonia, and Bosnia and Herzegovina, ultimately leading to the dissolution of Yugoslavia in 1991-1992. Serbia and Montenegro then formed a federal union that lasted until 2006, when both countries decided to pursue independence, shaping Serbia's contemporary borders. Today, Serbia is a meeting point for many cultures, ethnicities, and religious beliefs, reflecting Europe's rich history. Recently, it has been highlighted as one of the most welcoming destinations in Europe. Serbia enjoys an excellent public transportation network. From the capital, Belgrade, it is easy to reach all parts of the country. Passengers can reach the city center within minutes via buses from the bus station, while the efficient railway system allows visitors to access prominent sites such as Republic Square, the heart of urban life in Belgrade. Serbia operates under a parliamentary system and is divided into 5 administrative regions, including 15 cities, 29 districts, and 150 municipalities, each with its own unique characteristics and landmarks. For travel enthusiasts, Serbia offers a simplified entry policy for stays of less than 90 days, where no visa is required, only a passport valid for at least 6 months. This ease allows visitors to enjoy the country's rich historical, cultural, and natural heritage without bureaucratic complications. However, it is essential to consider the climate when planning a visit. Serbia experiences a continental climate, with harsh winters where temperatures drop significantly in January. These conditions can greatly affect the traveler's experience, especially for those unaccustomed to extremely low temperatures. On the other hand, Serbian summers can be very hot, often exceeding 38 degrees Celsius, providing an ideal environment for lovers of warm weather. In addition to these climatic aspects, it is important to be aware of the risks of natural disasters such as floods, which are common in the region and pose significant challenges to infrastructure. These events not only impact the lives of local residents, especially in agricultural communities whose livelihoods may be suddenly affected, but they can also alter travel plans. Being aware of these factors is essential to ensure a safe and enjoyable visit to Serbia. When visiting the country, it is important to approach cultural and social aspects with caution. There are sensitive topics that may cause discomfort or spark discussions among locals. One such topic is attitudes towards the LGBTQ+ community. Although Serbian society is considered traditional regarding sexual orientation issues, it is important to note that attitudes are changing, and there is growing support for the rights of this group in various parts of the country. Another sensitive topic is Serbia's recent history, particularly the conflicts of the 1990s, which left a deep mark on the nation's collective memory. Therefore, it is wise to address these subjects with respect and sensitivity, avoiding the reopening of old wounds. Focusing instead on contemporary Serbia and its contributions to culture, arts, and hospitality can be a more positive way to start conversations with locals. Regarding social etiquette, there are certain customs to observe to ensure friendly interactions. For example, it is customary to bring a gift when visiting someone's home, and many Serbians expect guests to remove their shoes upon entering. These practices reflect the importance of hospitality and respect in Serbian social interactions. Nightlife in Serbia, especially in its capital Belgrade, is vibrant and world-renowned. Belgrade is famous for its lively nightlife with a wide range of bars and clubs that remain open until dawn. The reasonable prices and welcoming atmosphere make these nightlife experiences highly appealing. Interestingly, in Serbia, it is not uncommon for women to take the initiative in social situations, approaching men's tables to introduce themselves and engage in conversation, even on the streets. In Serbia, traditional gender roles are often reversed, as it is usually the man who initiates contact. The beauty of Serbian women, often tall, blonde, and light-eyed, is notable and frequently compared to the beauty of Ukrainian women, attracting many European visitors. These unique features, combined with the vibrant social life, offer visitors a rich and diverse cultural experience. On the other hand, Serbian men tend to have a more relaxed approach regarding their appearance and lifestyle until they reach maturity, preferring a simpler way of life in their youth. These cultural differences in self-perception and personal care are among the many aspects that make Serbian society unique. When planning to enjoy Serbia's nightlife, particularly in Belgrade, it is advisable to make reservations in advance, as many of the most crowded venues require pre-booking to guarantee entry. Additionally, given the prevalence of petty theft in busy areas, especially around nightclubs, it is best to minimize risks by carrying only essential items such as identification and credit cards, and avoiding carrying large amounts of cash or valuables. The Serbian language, which may seem similar to Russian at first glance, due to their shared Slavic roots, is in fact a unique language with its own distinct characteristics. The linguistic and cultural relationship between Serbs and Russians reflects a deep historical connection between these two Slavic nations. For tourists, the language barrier is often less noticeable among the younger generation, who speak English fluently, facilitating communication and social interaction. Serbia, located at the crossroads between East and West, has recently witnessed significant transformations, including the migration crisis. The escalation of conflicts in regions such as Syria and Afghanistan has led to an increase in the number of refugees and asylum seekers passing through Serbia in their attempt to reach European Union countries. Although there is some cultural and social resistance towards these groups, it is common to see refugees from the Middle East in public spaces such as parks, where they seek temporary shelter. This highlights the humanitarian challenges and geopolitical complexities Serbia faces as a transit country. For tourists, Serbia offers a range of affordable accommodation options in its capital, Belgrade, where hostels can be found for prices ranging between 20 and 25 euros per night. These accommodations often receive good reviews due to their excellent value for money. This affordability is partly a result of the country's economy, which, despite its challenges, allows visitors to enjoy budget-friendly trips with relatively low service costs compared to other regions. The Serbian economy presents both challenges and opportunities, having seen growth in areas such as manufacturing, tourism, and agriculture. Agriculture is vital in Serbia, as it is a major producer of corn, wheat, and barley, and one of the world's largest producers of berries. However, the industrial sector faces significant obstacles, such as outdated technology in many industrial facilities and an urgent need for innovation and modernization. Additionally, although Serbia possesses valuable natural resources such as iron, coal, and some precious metals, a lack of adequate funding and modern technology limits